figured out a way to play this one. I've never played this one live. Mom walked out on you when you were only 2. You've grown up believing in this country is a bore. You've been dad 3 times and you're only 24. The Christians on the radio act like you're scum. Self-righteous screws after each and every one. I don't read the Bible, but I try to love you, man. Every flaw in your act, I think I understand. You know what, though? Lyrics.com totally fucked these up.
We got your back.
There's the chorus. You